Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix auto brightness not working on your Motorola Moto G67. So first, what you guys want to do is open up these settings, and here in these settings, what are we going to do is we're going to go over into the display section. Now we got the adaptive brightness right here, so what are we going to do is we're going to disable it and enable it again. So this is a quick restart. Of course, you guys can go over here, make sure that it also says use adaptive brightness right here. And what are we going to do next is we're going to clean the ambient light sensor near the front camera. So I've got the microfiber cloth prepared for it. We're going to grab the phone right now, and as you guys can see, we can easily clean it, and the brightness should be going down, but I think it is stuck at 47 now. It should be going up once I stop cleaning it. So it's going probably from 47 to around 50. It is going up, so it is working properly. What are we going to do is if it's not working properly, we're going to restart the phone to refresh the sensors. So we're going to press the power button, the volume up button at the same time. Now tap restart, and the phone now is restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second once the phone actually restarts. Now after the phone restart, what you guys want to do as a last resort is check for software updates. So we're gonna go over and let's type in the password. Now we're waiting for the phone to turn back on. We can open up the settings now, and we can scroll down until we see the system updates. So here we got the system updates. We're gonna click check for updates right here, and it is checking for updates automatically. All you need is Wi-Fi for it. So everything looks good here. I am using the latest software, but if you guys are not, then I recommend you updating. It's very important to keep up with the latest version of the software, so there's nothing on your phone. No old glitches, no nothing. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.